highest probability of success of kinds of startups. He found when he found, up to 10 individuals who had been friends for a long, long time.
Yeah.
And they're going to go off and build something, because if they have this rapport, this relationship, this trust, we haven't talked about trust anywhere near enough over our conversation. They know that they're going to have to morph, they're going to have to adjust, they're going to have to make changes, but they have the trust and confidence in each other to be able to weather those storms. But as you get bigger, as you said, growing from 10 to, up to hundreds, that becomes really problematic. You don't have this level of trust amongst these people. So be able to come in and, first of all, communicate. By the way, this is how we operate.
Yeah.
I mean, just think if I had a measurement of this is our operating system, this is how we work, and you as a prospective employee, does that fit with who you are? Yeah. And in fact, if I had a tool, you might not be self-aware enough to know what you fit best in. If I had a tool to be able that you could take to see how well you fit with how we want to operate.
Well, we have that now.
Yeah, that's incredibly valuable. So I'd like to be able to communicate, how we operate, and then also see that we're hiring people, that fit into that.